Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Coley and I'm going to do a review on the Passage of Time Oracle deck. So this is a deck that I created and it's available now for purchase. It was just released yesterday. So it has 54 cards in the deck. Let me bring it down some. And it's gonna come in this little linen pouch, which I love because I buy decks on Etsy all the time, and they have the one without the see-through. So I decided to get the ones that has the see-through because I like to see my deck. So that's that, and then this is the back of the cards, which showing a lot of clocks everywhere, and it's two-toned, pink and purple, and has blue with the orange colors. And I thought of making a colorful deck, a fun theme colorful deck. So, and it's matte with the ultra gloss finish. So you can see it's kind of, yeah, there it is. It's shiny. Anywho, so they're a good size. They're not thin and they're not thick. They're right in the middle. And so this is the first one, which is 8 months. So this is a Time Oracle deck. It says great things take time, don't give up. And it has like a musician box in the background. It's like where magic comes. Libra season. So it has the little tickets there, the champagne glasses, events. And I thought of putting the clocks down here with the little path there in the background. I thought that was just so cute. You are my universe. Has her meditating. The universe is working behind the scenes. The next new moon. 3 months, reminder. And it says Thursday. Airplane, the heart airplane. Waiting on you. So I've thought about putting pictures here, different love situations, like family, picnics, only just, you know, maybe someone met someone new and they're on the beach. This card is like a diverse set of people. So I thought about that when I made this card. Hidden surprise. You see she's peeking there. It has no peeking. You guys can see that. You don't see it coming. Sagittarius season. The angels are keeping you safe. I liked it that, including the black angel with white around her, with the white angel inside. She has a heart on the black angel there. This is focus on your priorities, so that self-care is a priority, mental health is a priority. And it has the little girl there. I'm listening. Spirit guides hear you. Has the little butterflies in the middle for transformation. Spend some time alone by the water. Little mermaid there, and she's going on a ride. You are enough. So when I made this one, I was like, wow, that is just so beautiful with the lion and the sheep there. And it has support. Loved ones are watching over you. Cancer season. The two little dogs with their 4th of July bows on. Fresh start. It has new life in the background on the street there and in the right path. 3 days. So I decided to put the sun in here, because wouldn't it be great if you did a reading for someone or for yourself and you pull this and you're talking about a love situation or a career situation and you got this, and this will just brighten your day. You know, this is a yes. So we have Virgo season with the little squirrel down there. Beautiful scenery. Text them, I miss you. I'm ready now. I love you. Forgive me. Next holiday. Be patient in divine timing. So I put the B in the inside of the clock, and then it's a woman there. She's basically meditating with what she wants, with the dolphin there. But she's basically enjoying the scenery and being patient. It's like she's giving herself to the universe and she's being patient. Aquarius season, be mine. So I have XOXOs all around in the background and love. You guys can see that. Really pretty. With the little snowman there, because it tends to snow around Aquarius season. Hasn't snowed in a while, but it tends to, when it does, it snows around Aquarius season. 2 months. Depression will fizzle out. And we have love yourself, and we have the smile now, cry later, face symbols or face mask. And she has her music, listening to music there, because music always soothes the soul. And then it has music is the healing force of the universe inside there with the band-aid on it. Focus on the present. So in this one, it has where, you know, you're just pretty much focusing on work or getting your health together, exercising, or working from home, getting some things done. Capricorn season. So I put a bow on this because this is like a present. So has the gift card. So if someone pulls this card, and then it has like stairway in a home. So that could be a gift for someone in a home or getting a home. Has the gift card there. Follow your intuition. Get in hermit mode. So then it has the evil eye symbols there as well. The moons. Today, get ready. Has the 2 little birds there. Mercury retrograde. Manifest what you desire. So you can see he's the magician. Got this little book there, which is magical in the wand. Time to move on. It has for your heart. Pisces season. So feeling lucky. This is like St. Patrick's Day. The lucky charms, the money, the hat. Strawberry moon. So, and it has June 3rd. So this past strawberry moon was June 3rd. Mars, courage, defend self. And it has the little astronaut in the background with the ships, the astronaut ships there. Jupiter, I put the time frame on here because sometimes, you know, especially for beginners, if you don't want to think about or happen to look to find out when the time frame is for Jupiter, I put that there with growth and explore. The next full moon. Give it a chance, have faith. This is one of my most beautiful cards because I love the flower and the water in the background as well. They're not the one. And it has the little man there. He's having a drink at the table, a mojito, which he's tattooing someone in that. Let go of the need to know. 7 days, and it has the Wheel of Fortune symbol in there. It's like in the tarot. Something better is coming. Then it has good things coming there. The little birds. It has the rainbow in the background. If you guys can see that. Gemini season. When I made this one, it made me think about beautiful scenery, like the background with all the flowers, and it's like you're going on a hot sunny day and you're in a field of beautiful flowers. And let's say if you want to have some drinks, look at the little men, the little glasses on, the pineapple, the pineapples in the background. So one month, it has like the Comedy Central. It's like if you wanted to take someone out on a date, or someone's taking you out on a date, you may even go to a comedy show or something like that, or getting out, having a good time. Choices and options. So there's 3 options. This is Aries season, so you have plenty of options to either be a business person, a nurse, or you choose between working, being a nurse, you know, dedicating your time, or love is here. So you have love, and then there's another field of work as well. 1 year, hurt and heal. So I put a Taurus, it's a Taurus symbol, and it's like a Taurus book in there with hearts around it. Venus, so the time frame is here. A reflection of your flaws in them, self-worth. Within 2 weeks, has the symbols, zodiac symbols here. Time is ticking, running out of time. Scorpio season. It's around Halloween. Look for the signs. Leo season, back to school. So for the kids, you know, when they go back to school around August. And then we have 6 months. Thought this was just so beautiful. And we have wait, not the time to take action. Perfect timing. It's time. So each card has different themes, and I wanted it to be different and colorful. Learn from your mistakes. Compromise, communicate clearly. I thought that was so cute. And then we have destiny. Meant to be, good karma. It has the angels there. So yeah. If you purchase on my site, it's 10% off your first purchase. When you join the mailing list, you'll get it instantly. It's free shipping as well. Also have free shipping on Etsy. I will leave my link down below to my website, which is spiritualinstinct.com. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.